Today, I'm going to show you how I created this glass piece for a client in the Netherlands. From soldering to polishing, patinating, and finally packing it with care. We begin by soldering the glass pieces together. Every joint needs to be strong and precise. This is the foundation of the artwork. I polish the seams, bringing back the shine of the glass and making the metal lines stand out beautifully. We often polish it once more, because that brings out the most beautiful patina lines. We place the window upright so we can solder the brass rods onto it. I solder brass rods onto the piece. They add both strength and a refined detail to the design. And they make sure the piece can stand upright. We clean our work surface so we can apply the patina. Then, it's time for more polishing and applying patina. This gives the metal a deep, rich tone that contrasts perfectly with the glass. After applying the patina, we clean the glass thoroughly once more to remove any harmful residue, so that it starts to shine again. Once the piece is finished, I carefully pack it. First with soft protection, then into a sturdy box so it can travel safely. Finally, I add the stickers, and the piece is ready to leave my studio. I place the piece in the box and make sure to add enough packing material. I want it to stay firmly in place during transport. After placing this sticker, no one will touch the glass again until it reaches its new home. I can't wait for the buyer to see it. I give the box a firm shake to make sure everything is held securely in place. Once I'm confident it won't move, the piece goes into a larger box for extra protection. For the filling, I use cornstarch packing chips. They're soft, light, and fluffy. Now the package is ready to be shipped, and with that, it leaves our workshop.